Brofix wood is a two-part epoxy repair putty that can be used inside or outside to make permanent repairs. It'll fill holes or gaps in wood. You can use this to repair furniture, rotted wood, or fill screw holes. And once this cures, it can be sanded, sawed, drilled, painted, or stained. Cut off the amount you need and remove the plastic covering. You want to mix this together thoroughly for about 3 minutes until it's one uniform color. You can force this into the area that you're repairing and shape it by hand, or you can use a stiff putty knife. You can add a small amount of water to help smooth it also. This will harden in 5 to 10 minutes and fully cure in 24 hours. If you get any on your hands, wash it thoroughly with soap and water.